Hello my friends, welcome home. Do you like sauces? Here's another one. On the menu, beef tenderloin with mushrooms. The main ingredient will be, of course, the beef tenderloin. AAA Angus quality. Here we don't fool around. The weight is a little over a half a pound. Of course, there will also be mushrooms. Here we call them Café de Paris mushrooms. As a side dish, the vegetables will be Fiddleheads from Quebec. Now is the season. For those who don't know it, these are fern shoots. Like this. They were cooked for 3 minutes in salted boiling water. And that's it. For the fries, they are pont neuf size, which means quite big. And for the elements to your right, we'll see them as we go along. First step, like in the kitchen, preparation of the setup. Mushrooms, like this. The inside is white knife. Bowl can come in the way. Then we cut like this. Mushrooms in the bowl. We keep going. One last mushroom bowl. For the knife, it's over. The biggest part is done. We move to the tenderloin. Heat on high and preheat the pan to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The frying pan is at 400 degrees. Perfect. Duck fat, 1 spoon. Tenderloin in the pan. And let it sear for about 20 seconds. Half a gram of salt is not going to hurt the tenderloin. Like this. After 20 seconds, tenderloin flip. A little bit of salt, like a pinch. And another 20 seconds. After the 20 seconds, we sear the sides. Tenderloin flips. Actually, flip the tenderloin over quite often. It helps to have a progressive cooking in the center. So, it's like the spit. You flip and reflip. My tenderloin is going to be pretty rare, but the cooking is up to you. My tenderloin is cooked to my liking. Now, time for the show. The flames are gone. We reserve the tenderloin. A little bit of butter. We equalize. Mushrooms. Flipply flap. And we're going to make them sweat. They have a nice coloration. They've sweated well. Now, red wine. Reduction. A bit of black pepper. We're going to do a half reduction. The red wine is nicely reduced. Now, brown stock. It's a light brown stock. I'm going to reduce it so it becomes like a half glaze. Flipply flap. Reduce. The brown stock has been well reduced, like a glaze. Now I add the cream, country cream, 15%. Like this. A quart. Spatula, reduction. The spatula finds that it's missing salt. Salt, a little bit of pepper, flipply flap. Spatula comes back. Very good. The sauce has reduced nicely. Nice texture. Heat off. Tenderloin like this. We're moving. Heat on high comes back. This is for the fiddleheads. A bit of butter. We melt it. Our pan is evenly coated in butter. Fiddleheads like this. Flipply flap. And we let it warm up. At this point, we can make the fries. The fryer is at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Impeccable. Basket goes up. Basket goes back down. We leave it for about 30 to 40 seconds. Fiddleheads. Flipply flap. French fries, we shake them. Checking. The fiddleheads are hot. Heat off. Fries, same. Bowl. Indeed, it's ready. Paper towel, and it's done. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, as always. Flipply flap. Really nice. The traditional way for pont neuf potatoes is to pile them up like this. One last, and that's it. The little spot is jealous, like that. A small spot, the rest will be for the second service. The tenderloin is here. Flipply flap. We put it like this. An additional little bow like this. And that's it. Now we make the plate for the YouTube photo. After that, we will do the quality control. The photo is ready. Now quality control. Plate like this, tenderloin on the plate. Big red knife, of course, the meat is red. Now we cut it like this. It's evident that my cooking is central. The gray part is equal here and here. Impeccable. We check the inside. It's hot. The control plate in the sink. Maître D, order for table 55 is ready. Order up. Thank you to those of you watching from Champagne and everywhere else. See ya. Bye.